Hey, what's going on? It's Jack Milocco for Beardbrand. Today, let's talk about how frequently you should be washing your beard. There's a lot of differences between the hair on your head and the hair on your face. But when it comes to the frequency of how often you should be washing these places, there really isn't that many differences. Now I say this because a lot of people think that they need to wash their beards every single day. But realistically, you should only be washing your beard about 2 to 3 times every single week. Sometimes you can get away with going 3 to 4 if you live a really active lifestyle. Now I'm talking going to the gym every single day, but honestly, you can get away with just doing 2 to 3 times a week. This is because when you wash your beard, no matter if it's with shampoo or beard wash, you're stripping the natural oils away from your beard hair. Of course, you can add those oils back in with things like beard oil or balm, but I'm always in favor of working with your body's natural chemistry, and I don't think that you should be stripping it out all the time, okay? 2 to 3 times will be plenty throughout the week, because in the end, if you continue to do it every single day, especially with something that's not specifically formulated for your beard, you can end up with a little bit of a drier beard than you really want to get, okay? When it comes to the stuff that you actually wash your beard with, 10 times out of 10, I'm gonna recommend beard wash over just using shampoo. Of course, you're always welcome to use shampoo on your beard, but I'm always in favor of using something that's actually made for the task at hand rather than something that just works, okay? It's kind of like wearing a t-shirt out in the snow when what you really need is a jacket. You can still get the job done with a t-shirt and it's still a piece of clothing that's gonna go over your chest, but hey, I think I'm gonna take the jacket over the t-shirt, okay? So if you've never used beard wash before, go ahead, try it out. I'll link it down in the description so you can go see for yourself. Of course, like I said, you're always welcome to use shampoo, but hey, might as well give it a shot, right? Same thing goes for the follow-up. Again, you can use conditioner in your beard just like you use in your head hair, but something like a beard softener is gonna work way better and leave you feeling with a much softer beard than you probably get with a conditioner. Remember, t-shirt versus jacket. One thing a lot of people ask us though is when we say wash your beard only 2 to 3 times a week, what do you do in the shower on those days when you're not washing your beard? All you need on those days is just some clean water. Doesn't matter if it's hot, doesn't matter if it's cold. Just make sure you're getting lots of water through there, washing out all that gunk from the day before. You're set on your way. Hop out the shower, dry it off, put a little beard oil, a little balm in there, and you'll be on your way, okay? You do not need to worry about getting any sort of product into your beard when you're in the shower. Unless, of course, you want to do something called co-washing. We've talked about this before. Co-washing, again, is conditioner-only washing. That's when you use something like a beard softener, and you're gonna use that almost every single day if that's your thing. You can use it every other day, or you can realistically use it every single day, and this will just add a little extra touch of softness to your beard while you're in the shower. Do not reach for that beard wash every single day, though. Again, I can't stress that enough. Don't want to strip out those oils, okay? The only scenario I can see in my head where you would ever want to wash your beard every single day is if you were working the type of job where your beard gets absolutely filthy. If you were washing your hair every single day because it's getting disgusting, then you might want to reach for that beard wash every single day. But in any other case, if you were the type of guy that's just working at your office every single day, or you're just doing casual things and maybe even just working out at the gym, you don't need to worry about washing your beard every day. Unless your whiskers are just caked with mud or whatever you're doing on the day. I'm not asking questions. That's the only time you'd maybe want to do the beard wash every single day. Again, any other situation, don't need to worry about it. Plain water will do you fine, except for that 2 to 3 times every single week, okay? All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. So again, if you've never tried out beard wash or beard softener before, I'll link those down in the description so you can check them out. Until I see you guys next time, hey, keep on growing.
Thanks for watching this video. Beardbrand has launched a private community called The Alliance. It's for men who are looking to invest in themselves and who are looking to keep on growing. Click the link over there and come join us, or stick around and watch some more awesome videos.